What remodel adds most value to our homes?
The best area to really invest in, especially if you're picking a project and trying to phase it out, would be to start with your kitchen. That's going to add the most value to your house. I mean, that's the place you spend a lot of time, whether you like it or not. It's between there or the living room, right? So why not invest in an area that you're going to be entertaining in, that you're going to be spending time with family?
Yeah, I agree
What do you
with
think? Yeah.
Yeah, I so agree. And then the other area that I think is really popular right now is the master bathroom.
Absolutely.
And I just find so many people wanting to take out those old big Roman tubs and create like more of an oasis, larger showers. And then they really are being guided by us great designers on their plumbing fixtures and how that going home after like a really long day and after we worked really hard and kind of escaping into your oasis, paying attention to like large shower benches.
Definitely.
Aren't you doing one where they're doing like a whole,
Oh yeah.
area of a, what is that, Joe?
Abs-
Steam shower.
Yeah, we're doing a steam shower, so
Ooh.
which is really neat because
Right.
everyone loves going to the spa. Well, most
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
love going to the spa. So we're creating that spa-like experience in the home, which honestly, that makes sense when you think about it, because
Yeah.
you're there more than you're at the spa. So,
Right.
Yeah.
so you want to relax when you're at home. So why not create that space
Right.
within your home and create a steam shower? And yeah, like you said, we're putting a large bench in there so that you can sit or lay down.
With shower
Just-
handhelds,
Yep, absolutely.
body sprays, rain
Absolutely.
shower head coming down
Yeah.
from the ceiling. It all is a great added value. And they're also getting really creative with temperature controls on a digital, more like smart home. So
Absolutely.
definitely those, I feel, kitchen, master bathroom adds great value to your home through the remodeling. What do you think, Carrie?
That sounds great to me. I need a steam shower. So let's get started.